In this video, I will show you how to add emojis and graphics in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Find the video that you would like to edit and make sure that you are in the editing page. In the top left, you will see your captions or transcript. Find the word or the area where you would like to add an emoji. Click it and you can click edit. If you are using a Mac, you can press Ctrl, Command, Space and all the emojis will pop up. You can then add the emoji that you would like to add. Once you are done, you can click apply. Alternatively, there is another option. Click the word that you would like to add an emoji. Then a bar will appear. You will see add in the top left. Scroll down to emoji and then you can add the emoji that you like. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.